Hi Satwika,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Satwika, introduce yourself and about your native and college.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Satwika. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my BTech in Civil Engineering in Bapatla Engineering College, Andhra Pradesh. And now I'm pursuing my IDM plus BIM course in CMTI. And I got placed at Liftspace as a junior interior designer.
Fine. Satwika, how you got to know about this institute?
One of my relative consulted and he suggested the CMTI.
Okay, as you told, you have joined for interior designing management. What are the new topics you have learned?
About the standards, kitchen customizations. I don't know that interiors is this much depth we have to do in interiors. But after coming here, and I have learned a lot about the interiors, like whether it's a kitchen related or wardrobes, all those things.
Okay, Satwika. How about your softwares? What are the softwares you have covered?
SketchUp and AutoCAD Revit.
Okay. What are the new things you have learned in the softwares? Like,
Especially in SketchUp, I've learned so many things. I don't know that we can create things in a realistic way and this much clearly. And it's very surprising for me to learn SketchUp. It's a very good thing to learn SketchUp. In Revit, I have learned some things, and till now I'm learning. And it's a very good thing to learn new things here about softwares.
okay, Satvika. Like, how was your site visits and experience center visit? Like, where all you have covered and what you have learned in the practical knowledge?
I have covered design cafe, homes interiors, like that. I have covered so many sites, and I have get to know so many things about the core materials where which we are using, and laminates and laminate textures, and how the laminates and core materials are. Like when we are in a class, we only know how this is there, this is that. When we get into the practical knowledge, then we will be get to know that how it is works, how it will feels like materials. Okay, these materials are this type. This will be looking like this one.
Okay, Satvika. Where all you have covered?
Homes interior, design cafe, Tilly kitchen, IKEA.
Okay, Satvika. Like, how was your interview preparation? How you prepared for your interview?
I have prepared well, ma'am, and staff also supported me very well while preparing my interview. And they guided me, like trainers, they guided me how to interact with the interviewers, how to answer them, how to be confident in the interviews while giving an interview. They have given so many tips to get the questions answers right. That's it.
Okay, Satvika. Like, how was the app supported you? What are the benefit of CMTI app?
In CMTI app, we can know the things where if there is anything we are not understanding properly, when we go through the app, we can know about more things. We can have more references in app. While going through the videos, we'll get to know that okay, this is what we are missing in our class, and this is what we have to improve more. We'll get to know the more in details in app, ma'am. And like mock tests, by knowing the mock test we can know how where we are in our standards. We have to okay, we have to learn these things. I have got wrong in this place, I have to improve in this place. By using app, we can get to know about these things, ma'am.
Okay, Satvika. Like, how was the interview round for you? What are the rounds you have covered?
In first round, they asked me about the introduce yourself and where you're from, why did you choose interiors, and what is the role of interior designer in your opinion, and about the core materials, 2D and SketchUp. After that, it's after the at third round, they just told me about the role I am going to do in office. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, Satvika. Like, for which role you have selected for?
junior interior designer.
Fine. I think you're happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Satwika. Like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMT and about your placement?
CMTI, it helped me a lot. I was in a place where I don't know what to do in my future. I don't know what next after completion of my BTech. I don't know where to go, where to get my jobs. But after joining CMTI, they give me a path to go forward, and they get me placements for me, and encouraged me on my way on my whole interview journey and path. They helped me a lot, ma'am. For my juniors, uh, stay connect with the CMTI and learn things from them, and that's it.
Okay, Satwika. Like thank you for your feedback. Congratulations for your placements. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.